Last week I was having coffee with a friend I hadn't seen in a while. We looked at me and he said, "Man, you've lost a lot of weight." And I have. I've lost about 75 pounds since the last time I saw him a year ago. We walked up to order our coffee and I asked the barista to just squirt a little bit of whipped cream on top of my latte. That's it. Tiniest bit. My buddy looked at me and started laughing. "Wait a minute. Aren't you the guy telling millions of people that carnivore? You're a fraud." He was kidding. We've been friends a long time. And we were just going back and forth, giving each other a hard time. But then we had a really good conversation. He is really heavy, struggling. I told him that a little spoon of whipped cream is not what made me fat. Ice cream every night for 10 years did. The sugary drinks, eating because I was bored, the drinking, eating because I was stressed, all that stuff added up over the years. Today, my habits are completely different. I've lost almost 80 pounds, off insulin, blood pressure 105 over 72 today. My life looks so much better. Every once in a while, I get a teaspoon of Cool Whip because I've earned it. See, I think too many people think getting healthy thinks you gotta be so strict. That's not a life. The goal is not to become someone who never enjoys anything. It's to change your lifestyle so your normal choices are your healthy choices. And then every once in a while, you can have a little treat instead of it being a destructive. Big difference. The old Eric would have had that and a cookie and a candy bar and a beer. I've already blown my diet. I'm just gonna do whatever I want. I eat a whole meat pizza today. Just a little bit of whipped cream, just enough to taste. That's where it ends. I don't reward myself by destroying all of the progress I built. I reward myself by enjoying life without abandoning the habits that gave me a second chance. If you're trying to lose weight, stop chasing perfection. Stop hurting yourself. Choose one healthy meal. You don't have to change everything. What changes your life is what you do most of the time. The old habits, give yourself a little grace. You ain't got to change everything at once. The goal's not to be perfect. The goal is to be better than you were yesterday. If that message speaks to you, type "I'm in" so I can see you. I'm an accountability coach and I help people stay accountable and change their life. If you're interested, send me a DM. I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day, everybody. See you on the next one.